We are at the Adventure Van Expo, and there are a ton of cool vans here, a bunch of them that are for sale, and we see some new work from the amazing upfitters that are out there around the country. So we're gonna go and look at some of our favorite designs for van interiors and show them to you guys here on our channel. We were walking by and I noticed the Nook van, and the vibe in here is just amazing.
Thank you.
So yeah, please introduce yourself and can you tell us about this build?
Hi everybody, my name is Kyle Fishburne. We've been building camper vans since 2018. This is our third generation of the 1.2. It's on the short wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter. This is for two people. So our focus is on being ergonomically engineered interiors that are lightweight, sustainable, and last a long time. So we frame everything out of aluminum. We keep everything lightweight with honeycomb aluminum construction for our mudroom in the back. We have bamboo throughout the van as well. And we want to make it as easy to use as possible. So we make this bed, this is becomes a full-size bed, pulls out just like a drawer. This is our galley. Everything hides away so you can easily pull it all out and then hide it away when you're not cooking. So don't feel like you're living in a kitchen all the time. We have a dual induction stovetop right here.
Sweet.
You have our expanding closets over here. And this has hanging storage here for your clothes. We have locking storage underneath for your laptops and cameras. And all this is modular, so we're able to flat pack this and ship it if people want to use this in their own DIY van. Again, we try to keep things lightweight, really simple and durable, and that's why we use these sliding doors. We line everything in Velcro compatible carpet. That way you can put stuff in here, it's not going to rattle. We're really against rattles in these interiors. Yeah, keeping things simple and open, light and bright. Through this door is what we call our utility spot. It's a fully waterproof room. It's made out of honeycomb aluminum. Has a shower on a 6-foot hose. Has L-track mounted all around for mounting your board, skis, bike, any kind of gear you want. Use it as a trunk. Use it as a nice, luxurious bathroom. It's a big enough shower for two. Or it's a mudroom. So you go through there, leave all your dirty stuff back there. Don't bring it into your cabin. It's just a really nice, purposeful space that makes van life so much easier to deal with on a long-term basis. Really get out there and still have a nice clean space after days of travel.
The vibe in here is really good. I like the colors, the materials, and I would say it's a unique layout. This isn't one that you would normally see, and I like that about it. It feels like definitely like you can lounge over here, you can do some simple cooking, and then with the mudroom you have that totally separate space where all the stuff you don't want to deal with when you're trying to chill out is back there, not up here.
My partner and I, so we'll both be working in here. She'll be taking phone calls in here, and I'll be taking phone calls in the back because we've got a nice cushy seat on top of the toilet. And so we can both be yapping on our phones and still have our own private space, which on a short wheelbase is pretty unheard of.
Cool. Well, I really appreciate you giving us a tour. We're going through and just giving our viewers some of our favorite interior designs. And you guys made the list, so I appreciate it.
Thank you for choosing us.
Yeah. Good work.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. This was another van that caught my eye as I walked by. I'm always into really unique designs that make sense. When you're in a 144, you only have so many options, and I've never seen this layout before. So I'm here with Alfredo, Terra Vans. Why don't we just do a quick tour of this van and you can show some of the unique features.
Sounds good, let's get on in.
So here we are on the inside, and I've always liked vans that have this sort of large dinette in the back because I think you can you can do a lot here. I mean,
yeah.
you could work here for hours on end. 2 people can be doing different things, and you're not in the way of somebody kind of working at the galley.
Exactly.
So, yeah, just tell me a little bit about the design. And
so we've always stuck with fixed beds and fixed showers, but we wanted to do something a little bit more adventure friendly. You know, be able to put some surfboards, some bikes in here. This does pop down or come out if you need. We also incorporated the drop down shower for the first time to open up a little bit more living space inside. We also love building with a little bit more strength and integrity. So the benches and the shower are all framed out of 80/20 aluminum, actually bolted to the car and to the ground. And then we try to face it after that with some wood and paint and the actual wood tones to kind of hide the industrial side of the aluminum.
Yeah, this one has a great vibe on the inside. It feels very homey. The kind of van like I can imagine like a ski trip, you know, end of the day.
Yeah.
It feels warm. It looks to be really well insulated.
Yeah.
These are all upper cabinets with storage in them?
So we have some storage up here.
Oh, nice.
As well as the microwave here. And then we also have this storage, more storage there for a pantry.
One thing that also caught my eye is the shower system they have in here. So they put in the Tetra Van's shower, fold down shower pan.
Yeah.
Can you show
of course.
how that works real quick?
So this right here, we'll just unlock it here. It drops down. Boom. Then you just attach your curtain up there and your shower head, and then you have your shower when you need and shower when you don't.
Nice. Yeah, and I could just actually see more uses for this than just a shower. Like, I'm thinking like washing clothes even, you know, like wash them in the sink, put them in here to rinse. Just when you're in a van, everything needs to serve multiple purposes.
Oh, for sure.
So like, hey, if somebody had a small dog, they wanted to wash the dog.
Of course.
It'd be a great place
and
to
even
do
like
it.
you were saying, after like the beach or something, throw your wet clothes or something like that, you can close it. It still drains even when it's closed because the drainage system is actually back there. So always keep everything contained in this area. So you won't actually get any water spillage if you want to like store like a wetsuit or like a bathing suit for the day.
Yeah, you come out of the surf, you can stand in here, take the wetsuit off, do a little rinse, get the salt water off.
Yep.
Yeah, it's really awesome. So I love the design. And it feels very comfortable, like ergonomically, especially for a Sprinter that has curved walls that come up. A lot of times it can feel like you're hunched over, but this is
we try to take advantage of as much as the curve as possible without doing like the straight walls and all that.
Yep.
And you actually bring up a good point about feeling comfortable. Our biggest like saying and things is we want to help people reconnect with nature, but comfortably, right? You can take both on the road. Like why leave one behind when you don't have to? Yeah.
And I think that is the selling point of a van like this, and why people, once they have a van, they're like, I could never imagine living without a van again, is because the outdoors is right outside, but you're in a spot that feels extremely comfortable, and if you pull everything closed, you might not even know that you're in a parking lot in a city.
With all the window covers and everything, and you put your laptop here and your headphones, you're the work from home office like no other, for sure.
Yeah.
Especially with all the views wherever you want to take it.
Yeah. Cool. And where are you guys located?
We're in Camarillo, California, Southern California.
Right on.
Yeah.
Good work, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
It's very well done, and again, I love the vibe.
Yeah, appreciate that. Thank you.
Hi. Welcome in.
Thank you. Okay, so I walked by this van and knew we had to shoot a video of it because this is just a totally amazing vibe inside a van. So I am here with Sophia of Tiny Planet, and they built this amazing van. What caught my eye is like how good the design is, the color, the feel, and there's a lot of room in here and a lot of features. So can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yes. We call this design eucalyptus. It's a Mediterranean design, very minimalistic, very light. A lot of people like this design because it's light and you feel more spacious, more roomy inside such van. If you speak about this, how big is it, like why you feel so roomy, because you don't have like this shelf here and you feel like you have a high roof. You have a big entrance here, which feel like it's a big sitting room, big living room. In the design, we implemented some like gold features to make it like more luxurious look, very homey accessorizes as curtains, pillows, something that make all our interiors very homey.
And it has a shower.
Yes.
It looks like a pretty generous shower as well.
This one has a sitting area, fixed sitting area, and it has fixed bed. It has also shower. Shower stall is quite big. You can fit inside. I can even like put my hands up. You have a roll-up door. You have a toilet compartment that is here, and you slide it into a shower.
Nice.
And we have very efficient shower head, which uses only 0.4 gallons per minute. They have a fridge, eye position fridge. Lots of people appreciate this feature because you don't need to go down on the bottom of the kitchen. So you have a fridge with freezer, closet for some of your stuff, upper cabinets, and queen size bed, memory foam mattress, and access to the garage.
Wow,
the,
nice.
the garage is very big.
Yeah, and I noticed from the back that the garage is really wide open. So
Yeah.
if you could have a nice van here and put all of your dirty gear underneath and not really have to deal with
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Because in this van we have portable power bank, like portable electrical system, which stays here underneath. And yeah, so that's why we have more room in the garage area.
Okay, nice. And how about water on board for this van?
42 gallons of fresh water tank and 20 gallons gray water tank.
Okay, great. So this feels like a van you could like live in for a while.
Yeah, this actually the most the simplest model we have ever built.
Okay.
So this is our basic model. Usually when we do conversion, we have like a basic kit, and this van is showcasing what you will get for a basic kit.
Okay, well, great work. I think this is definitely a winner, and I could see a lot of people, you know, this is a bit more of a luxury style, not so much like adventure style.
Yes,
But
so people choose this kind of such vans to stay longer on their travel. So they don't want to come back home, they feel at home, they prefer to travel like long, like 1 month, 2 months, even a year.
Okay, so Sophia wanted to show me their feature-packed version of their van as well, so let's go take a look at that.
This van has the same layout, but lots of more features like countertop extension. Another extension, do you see now it's a bench? So you can put it down and it will be the same single seat and you can sit across of each other. Here we have, like for design features, we have a light bar here. You can change colors. You have 4 separate zones. You can adjust them, dim, how you want it. This is very cool. So even like a toe kick of the kitchen, every single part can be controlled. Here we have induction mounted. In this van we have, in the kitchen, very cool thing, dishwasher.
No way.
Yes.
Absolutely.
The only one van
Completely unique.
with a dishwasher. Very unique
Dishwasher.
thing.
I love it.
In this shower we have toilet compartment is still here, but here you even don't see the toilet. So have a look, like you can see like the whole shower stall.
Wow.
And toilet is hidden.
Yeah, I mean, this is one of the biggest showers I've ever been in a van.
And this shower pan is custom made with 4 drains. So shower pan goes until the very end.
I see.
And you have 4 drains. It will drain water, doesn't matter how you park.
Nice.
Yeah, so this shower is, if you see the level of the floor, it's even lower than the level of the floor in the van.
Yeah.
And we have heated floors even in the shower.
No way.
Yes. So
You guys really go all out when you do a build like
yeah,
this.
floors are heated, AC, cruising comfort. It's mounted underneath the bed, so in the garage area, and doesn't take space on the roof.
Yeah.
Here we have pantries. So this size of the bed.
That's so cool.
So size of the bed is smaller. It's full size. In other we had queen, and here we have a wine rack, which is also
wow.
a step, so you can stand on to climb up on the bed.
Awesome.
These are like particular features.
So how long
this
have you guys
build.
been building vans?
Almost 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah, doing really great.
Awesome. Well, you definitely have a unique approach to building a van, very different than your average, and that's exactly what we wanted to show people right now is like, what are the options? Because not every van just needs to be a pure adventure van. You guys have a style and a little bit more of a luxury, and I think of everything we've seen, these are the type of vans I would want to live in for a month or 3 months or a year or whatever.
We have been traveling in this van, exactly in this van, 9 months.
Okay.
So we never get tired, you have everything. It's 4 seasons van. We go to ski resorts, we have heated floors, walk barefoot inside. We also have heated plumbing. So all the plumbing underneath the van, the grey water system is also heated. So you just push the button and you heat it. So it
Wow.
prevents from freezing.
Yeah, and it really does make a difference. The one thing that would take you back home, well, 2 things, is if you don't have a comfortable bed and if you don't have a shower, then you can't stay in your van for an extended period of time, and this van has both. So yeah, truly livable. If you're the type of person that's like, I want to take my career on the road, I can work remotely. Make sure, put some internet on here, but otherwise you have everything you need.
Starlink on the roof.
Yeah, love it. Good job.
Thank you.